Now, how do you filter duplicate photos on iPhone? It's pretty simple to do. You don't really need any third-party solutions for that, but I believe there are some available. I mean, let me just check it out really quick. There are probably some duplicate photos apps available. Yeah, there is some cleanup and everything, but you don't necessarily need that, because what you need is just the Photos app. So if you open up the Photos, you can see all of the recents and favorites, whatever you have. But if you scroll all the way to the bottom, you can see and browse through media types and utilities. And a part of the utilities are duplicates. And it already tells me that I have 8 duplicates. So that's okay. I'm just going to click on that. And you can see that this is what it looks like. Right now you have the same pictures twice for whatever reason, and it also tells you the size of them, because for example, this picture right here, this one is 2.6 megabytes and this one is just 134 kilobytes. So chances are that I want to keep the larger file to preserve more quality. So it really depends, but as you see at the bottom, duplicates are classified as exact copies that may have different metadata, as well as photos that appear to be the same, but they may have unique resolutions like formats or other slight differences. So size may be a difference, but the photo is basically the same. So I can just click on it and delete it right away, or I can tap on merge, which means that it's going to put them together as like one thing. So the selected items appear to be the same, but it may have different resolutions and stuff. So combining them combines the highest quality and relevant data, and the rest is going to be moved to recently deleted. So you don't really have to care about anything. This is sorted already. You can it's going to disappear from the duplicate section if you click on merge as well. That's an option as well. Or you can click on the top and filter them through like different things if you have more of them available, or even click on more filters. So that's an option as well. But the thing is that you're supposed to merge them together or delete one type of the photo, and that's how you can manage or filter duplicate photos on the iPhone. It's just this is the whole process behind that. So before we wrap up the video, I need to show you this, which is the Foxtecc educational platform. You can join it for free. It's going to be linked down below in the description, and there you can watch video editing courses and other stuff about your iPhone in the classroom section. So go ahead and check it out right now. It's going to be linked down below. And for now, thanks a lot for watching. See you guys later, and subscribe to the Foxtecc.